Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you still have account access. Use backup codes or a secondary 2FA method. Once done, open the account settings for the service using Google Authenticator. Make sure to locate the two-step verification or security section. It's usually labeled two-step verification. You'll be verifying identity soon, so keep passwords, recovery email, and device at hand. Start with one account to avoid lockouts, and do not uninstall the app before removing 2FA from every account. Next, navigate the security settings for each account and choose to turn off or change two-step verification. When prompted, select the option that removes the Authenticator app or replaces it with SMS/email codes. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Enter password, SMS code, or one of your backup codes. Once verified, confirm that the Authenticator entry is deleted. Repeat this process for every service where Google Authenticator was registered, because leaving one active will still require the app. Finally, after you've removed Authenticator from all services, uninstall the app from your device. Make sure you verify logins once using the new method to confirm access. If you get locked out at any point, use your backup codes or the account recovery flow and contact account support as needed. For stronger security going forward, set up an alternative like a hardware security key or a different Authenticator app and store backup codes in a safe place.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.